Hello everyone and welcome to Lotus Premier Education. My name is Amanda and I want to be your college tutor. Today I'm speaking exclusively to our rising juniors. This video is a where should you be video as we are in the summer before junior year, and I am excited to chat with you all about what you should be doing because this is a big summer when it comes to preparing for your college admissions process. So juniors, I know we're starting to feel a little bit overwhelmed. Everyone's been talking about the big junior year, but what you guys might not know is that now is a great time to get ahead so that this year coming up is less stressful. So you might be asking, how can you do that? Number one is going to be finding activities that contribute to your narrative and finding them as early on as you can. So if you're watching this video and it's already the summer of junior year, that's okay. Don't fret, but you should start reaching out to local organizations, clubs, businesses that will have opportunities that are still available and that will contribute to your narrative. So first thing you should be doing, extracurriculars, activities that contribute to your narrative. The second thing that you should be doing this summer is preparing for your SATs and your ACTs. I know we've been hearing all of this about colleges being test optional. As of right now, that's not fully guaranteed to continue. So you want to make sure that you are trying to take those tests, that you're preparing as best you can. This summer, you should take at least one diagnostic SAT and one diagnostic ACT to make sure you know which test is a good fit for you. Call a tutor, call a test center, speak with someone in your family who's worked in the education field and try to get different inputs on which testing plan might be best for you. It's important that you pick the right test from the get-go because you don't want to be switching your plan midway through. So number one, extracurriculars. Number two, pre-test prep. Number three, building your college list. Now is a great time to start figuring out which colleges you want to see. Remember that your college list is going to be a lot bigger at the beginning, and we're going to make it more and more narrow as we go through the college process. So right now you should have a large, wide list with a lot of different schools, and you should be starting to schedule those visits. We have a video on college lists, and we also have a video on how to take advantage of your college visits. So for both of those things, go back to our main page and take a look for more information. Lastly, this summer, you really want to make sure you are getting ahead on your academics. Junior year is when a lot of our classes really ramp up in rigor and in workload. And so the more that you can front load over the summer, maybe work with a tutor to get ahead on some of those topics that are more challenging, or grab a book list or a syllabus for your class, start reading and getting ahead on your own before the year begins. That will help set you up for success as we go into junior year, because nothing is more important at the beginning of your college process than having a strong transcript. So just to recap what we talked about, rising juniors, your job this summer, your homework is to get ahead and stay ahead. You want to focus on your extracurriculars. You want to focus on pre-test prep and a pre-college list. You also want to focus on getting ahead academically and making sure that you are laying the groundwork for a successful college process. If this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and come back to Lotus Premier Education for more advice on how to make the most of your college journey.